Our third example is 5x minus 1/2 y equals 3. Again, we are going to solve for y. The first thing that I must do is I must isolate the 1/2 y. Actually, it is negative 1/2 y. So in order to do this, I must subtract the 5x from both sides. Since I have subtracted 5x from both sides, 5x minus 5x is nothing, so I am left with negative 1/2 y. On this side, I cannot combine these because they are not like terms. Therefore, I have 3 minus 5x. I must now isolate the y and get rid of the negative 1/2. This is a multiplication problem, so to undo multiplication, I must divide. When I divide by a fraction, that means I multiply by the reciprocal. As I multiply by negative 2, negative 2 times 1/2 gives me 1y, or y. Multiplying this whole thing by negative 2 means I need parentheses, as you can see. I am still not done yet because now I need to distribute the negative 2 with the 3 and the 2 with the negative 5. After I have distributed negative 2 times 3, I get negative 6. Negative 2 times negative 5x is actually 5x. And that would change my answer to y equals 5x minus 6. I like to have the x first and the constant or the number second. We will use that later in math when we are graphing equations.